tanggal my security. Why don't you film me saying that? Film me saying that you may tanggal my security. Imagine that for the first time since 2019. I want the security ako.
This is still the mayor of Lawag.
Good, take a video.
He's not just a candidate. Haan lang ang iso na kandidato. Mayor
No,
Pilot
you
Lawag.
cannot be like this. I'm telling you, don't do that. You cannot do this. I'm warning you.
Sir, actually we are providing area security. We only...
So why do you take tanggal my security? Why do you take tanggal
Sir,
my security?
Hindi namin tinanggal yung security nyo, sir. We are providing
My security is tanggal. You removed my 3 close-in security and they were sent to the region.
Sir, I have no authority to tanggal yung mga security nyo, sir. We are only stick on the rules on COMELEC, sir. We
No.
are on the COMELEC.
There are politicians who have kept their security. There are politicians. No, it's because of the region, and it's because I know of the first district. It's because of the first district. The first district has made my security tanggal.
Pero idaan po natin doon
Stop it!
sa ano, sa
Okay?
pag
You know, I've had enough of this. I've had enough of being treated like this. You remove my clothing, then you remove my mobile patrol, then you remove my other security. I know it's not you. I know that it was the region who did it. I know.
As we can see, sir, we are providing area security. As a matter of fact, sir, you can see policeman. We are providing all candidates, sir, as our mandate. We are providing area security. As to the close-in security, sir, hindi po namin pwedeng hayaan magbigay. Idadaan po natin ito, sir, sa ano, sa legality.